the question here says solve the third root or the cube root of x plus 2 all raised to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So another way of expressing this is to write it as x plus 2 all raised to the power. This is the fractional root here, the third root, and this is the numerator of the fraction. So it becomes 4 over the 3 that we have here. And everything is equals to 16. So in order to solve this, a simple way is to multiply this power by the inverse of this, so that the whole thing here will be raised to the power of 1. So that means we are going to write x plus 2 all raised to the power 4 over 3. For me to make this power to become 1, I'll raise it to another power, which is the inverse of this. The inverse of this is 3 over 4. And then that will be equal to whatever I've done to this left-hand side of the equation, I also do it to the right-hand side. So I've already raised this left-hand side to the power 3 over 4. So I'm also going to say this raised to power 3 over 4. Then now 4 cancel 4 and 3 cancel 3. So we'll be left with x plus 2. Because this multiplied by this, everything cancels, you are left with power 1. So this is x plus 2 all raised to the power 1. Then that will be equal to 16 now to the power 3 over 4 will definitely mean this fraction here, the numerator, will be written here. So it becomes the fourth root of 16. Then everything raised to the power of this numerator, which is 3. So I'll be having x plus 2 is equal to the fourth root of 16, means what you can multiply 4 times, what will multiply itself 4 times to give 16, and that will be 2. So if you multiply 2 by itself 4 times, it's going to give you 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2, then all raised to this power 3. So you are left with x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So what we do next, we're going to say x is equal to, this 2 comes there, becomes 8 minus 2. So you are left with x equals to 6. So that is the final answer. So please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.